What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. And yes, I know I've been away. Let's address that. But you guys will see exactly why. I've just been cooking up so many things, and my business page is coming up on Instagram. So please be on the lookout for that. And you can even follow and support the girl. But anyways, guys, I was asked to make this bed palette by a friend of mine, and I've been sanding, as you see. But when I say I've been sanding, and you have to get your back into it, especially when it comes to the painting. That's where you really are gonna break your back. Well, not literally, but you are gonna have to bend over backwards to make sure that everything is as it should be. But overall, it's all doable. I mean, I managed to do it, and I'm very, very happy with the final outcome. So these are the things that you're going to need. You're going to need a brush, you're going to need a tray for your paints, as well as that spongy roller, which I ended up not using because it was taking forever. I actually ended up using the brush that we used to paint walls. So it did the job for me. So I don't know, whatever you're comfortable with. Shoo, guys, I just wanted to show you how much paint got sucked in by this wood. So if you are gonna attempt this, please make sure that you buy a lot of paint, or you buy really, really white paint, which is what I ended up doing. But all in all, I used a whole liter to finish this project. This type of wood sucks up paint. If you know what I can use instead to minimize this, please let me know down below, or wherever you can inbox me. But yeah, guys, the paint literally disappeared. So guys, for the sake of the video, just like with all my videos, I won't be showing every single palette that I do, because it's basically a repetition of the same thing. What I did on the first palette is what I'm doing on this palette, and it's what I'm going to be doing on the other palettes. However, I will be showing you how to do the inside, because I use different strategies. Oh, the word strategy kicks my ass. But anyways, I was using different strategy. Oh, there we go. I was using different strategies. Now that I said it, okay, whatever. I was using different ways of painting the inside. So I will be showing you a way that I found to be easier and quicker. So as you guys can see, this is the vertical side of the bed that I cut, and now I have to go on to cutting the horizontal side so that it's not too long by the feet. I had to find a way to completely remove this because, as you guys can see, as I was cutting, I figured that I couldn't get into a certain part of it. So, yeah, I struggled. I don't want to lie. I struggled so, so much, but I eventually got it.